Hello, this is Nathan with UnitConnect, the property management software company. In this tutorial, I'll be covering how to create an account. Once you've come to our website at UnitConnect.com, go ahead and click the Sign Up Free button in the top right corner. Once you come to the sign up page, you'll need to add relevant information to complete your account sign up. Currently, we offer a 15-day free trial where you have full access to the software and all of its features without having to add any credit card information details. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill out the form. You will need to sign the reCAPTCHA box, and you need to accept our terms and conditions. Following, click the Sign Up button. Okay, now that you've created an account, you need to confirm your email address. So I have my Gmail address open in another tab, and I'm going to click the UnitConnect sign up email, and we see that we have a verification code. So I'm going to highlight the verification code, copy it, come back to the Unit account page, and I'm just going to paste it right here. Now I'm going to click on verify. All right, now that you have created your account, you can go ahead and log in. You can log in either by using the login link in the top right in the menu screen, or you can click on the login button. Now that I'm here on the UnitConnect login page, I'm going to use my UnitConnect email and associated password that I just created and go ahead and sign in. All right, now we're here in the UnitConnect dashboard. So that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for future tutorials on UnitConnect.